In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all boards to CSV and JSON, yet all at once. First, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and give it a click. This will open up a menu with several options geared towards managing your account and settings. Your next move is to click on the Settings option. This will lead you into the hub of your account, where you can manage various aspects of your preferences and workspace settings. Once you're within the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll find a list of options, including the ability to select the workspace you wish to export. It's crucial to ensure you're in the correct workspace, particularly if you operate multiple ones, as the export process will apply to all boards within the chosen workspace. With the appropriate workspace selected, you should see the Export option appear. Click on it to proceed. At this stage, you'll encounter a few choices. One important feature you can decide on is whether to include raw attachments in the export from all your boards. This option is particularly useful if you have a lot of supplementary materials associated with your boards and want to ensure nothing important is left out in the export. Once you've made your decision regarding attachments, it's time to dive into the actual export process. Next, look for the Create New Export button. Clicking this will initiate the export procedure. A zip file will soon start downloading, and within this file, you will find all the CSV, JSON, and attachment files from your Trello boards contained within the workspace you selected earlier. This method ensures you have all your data neatly compiled and ready for further use or analysis outside of Trello. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully exported all your boards to CSV and JSON formats at once. This process is not only efficient, but also crucial for keeping comprehensive records, making it easy to back up your data, or even transition your workflows to another platform. Remember, periodically exporting your boards can be a beneficial practice to maintain data security and accessibility, just in case you ever require a snapshot of your information for reference or any auditing purposes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow management.